Okay, in this lesson, we are going to create a Google presentation and embed it into your site. And to do that, the first thing you do is go into Google Docs and create new. And we're going to go new presentation. I'm going to quickly go over how to create new slides, change the background, and add a picture. You are not expected to have a perfect presentation. You can make it as pretty or as unpretty as you want. I am more interested that you understand the process of adding artifacts like using Google Presentation to your ePortfolio. So the first thing we do is we got to name this presentation. Jen's slide presentation. Like that. We'll just leave it like this. I'm going to just right click and I'm going to delete that. Okay. Then I go over and I right click and I create a new slide. And this one is going to be my education. Went to high school, went to college, went to grad school. Right click, new slide. The next one is family, my family. I might add a picture here of my family. And then the last one is my hobbies. Quality time, family. Traveling, motorcycling, gardening. Okay, now a couple things about Google Presentation. They also have themes. So if I want to right click, and you have to click outside of those boxes, but you right click and you say change theme. And they have several. You can make them, you can select your theme, that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to quickly add a picture. So let's go into a new site and I'm going to go images.google.com. And one of my hobbies was gardening. I'm going to go into the advanced search. And one of the things that I like to do is this usage rights, and I'd like to use images that are labeled for reuse. And I'm going to search. You're not going to get quite the amount of pictures in the versus doing a normal image search, but you have to be conscious of taking other people's content, and you should also be encouraging your students to think about this. So these gardens here, pictures, are more likely listed on Flickr Creative Commons, and I'm able to use them or reuse them. Let me see. Actually, I'm going to go with this one. What you do is you click the picture. Notice here it says where the picture is from. So I'm going to want to cite that. Once I click that picture, I can right click and copy image URL. Then I'm going to go back to my presentation. I'm going to insert an image, specify image URL, and I'm going to paste that image. I can resize it. Oops. I may want to cite actually change the text on here. Get it dark gray. Darker. All right, so I've cited my image. It's not the you know, it's just, it is what it is. But now I want to put this over onto my Google site. To do that, I'm going to go to my Google site, and I'm on what I call Unit 3 selecting. I'm going to create a page, and I'm going to name it Artifact Embedding Presentation. I spelled right. All right, I have a couple of options, but I'm going to use this where it says put page under selecting. It is important for you to recognize and to get your students to recognize they should introduce artifacts. They don't need to go into too much depth, but they should, instead of just plopping a YouTube video on or plopping a presentation on, you should get used to captioning presentations or other artifacts. A 4-slide presentation from Google Docs. Okay, and I can successfully embed a full presentation into Google Space. You do not have to use this exact caption. All right, so I have a caption. Now I'm ready to embed. I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to go to Presentation, and here is my presentation. I have some decisions to make. Do I want a border? Sure. Do I want the slide? Is this the title of my slide? I might not say 4-slide. I might just say Jen's presentation. Now, if I was presenting on some topic in biology, I might give it that specific topic. If I, depending on who the audience and what the information is, you'll want to consider the title. Do you want the slideshow to start as soon as the player loads? That means as soon as you come on, you will see the slides moving. I say yes, that's fine. The other thing is do you want it to loop? So once it's done, should it continuously go and cycle through? This is great if you just have like a picture slideshow. It's up to you if you want to restart that or not. And then you can decide on how big it should be. I'm going to go with the medium. I would like this to be centered. And right now you cannot see it. However, as soon as I hit save, you should see my presentation and it's cycling through the information. And that's it.